the sun is shining down on Fenwick town today. Got the membrane rolling out, yeah, we're paving the way. Up on the deck, hear the hammers start to ring. Brian's crew from Metal Roof Niagara doing their thing. Laying down that steel, make it strong, make it tight. Keeping out the rain for the long, lonely night. Down below the eaves, got a different kind of crew. Step above exteriors, they know just what to do. It's Jaiden, the owner, with Michael by his side, installing windows and doors with that Niagara pride. Framing up the view for a mother coming home, building up a castle on this patch alone. We're the innovative group, yeah, we build it by hand, constructing new beginnings on this Ontario land. From the mortar to the steel, we don't let up, we don't stop, building dreams from the bottom to the very top. Sky was painted blue, looked at the watch, said boys, we're overdue. Headed down to the lines, yeah, the community spot for that fish fry Friday while the grease is hot. Cold drink in hand, just catching our breath before we work this Fenwick job right to death. Back on the site, no time left to waste, got that exterior board being put in place. Then comes Mike Donnelly, the Irish Mason man, with Patricia helping out, mud fresh in the pan. Slapping on the mortar foundation, looking grand. Best stone slingers in all of the land. Sun starts dipping low, but the work ain't done. Jaiden and Michael, they're still on the run, finishing the siding, getting the stonework right. Make it look pretty in the fading light. 500 square feet of love and sweat. Best little lady you that you ain't seen yet. We're the innovative group, yeah, we build it by hand, constructing new beginnings on this Ontario land. From the mortar to the steel, we don't